think a lot about joy. Joy is the emotion of great delight or happiness caused by something exceptionally good. But what does it mean to know something is exceptionally good? I think in order to know good, you have to know bad, which sounds like a bummer, but knowing bad breeds perspective, and perspective breeds gratitude. And that, I believe, is the quickest path to joy. Gratitude. The moments I have with my kids are fleeting, and every day they are one step closer to becoming independent. The hard part is deciding when to capture a moment and when to experience it fully. So here's a collection of moments I did capture. I hope it brings you joy.
Everyone say hi to the GoPro. It's on. Hi. Can you see yourself? Well, let me come to you. Please up. No, like you with you holding me.
With me holding you? Oh. What are we doing?
We're on a boat.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
I don't know.
Neither do I.